All right, moving on. Heavy rains have been battering parts of North India. Many parts of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh witnessed heavy showers that triggered incidents of flash floods and landslides. The Meteorological Department has written to the states and issued a flood alert. Vishal Monga filed this report.
Yes, indeed, there has been heavy rainfall in the upper regions of Himachal Pradesh, which is the catchment areas for several rivers in this region. And this is really causing floods in the several low-lying areas of Punjab and Haryana. One such incident took place at Sirsa because of the heavy rain. The bus was stuck inside the water. All of the people have been rescued. Now, I have the letter which has been issued to all divisional commissioners. It says that in next 3 to 5 days, very heavy rainfall is expected in the regions of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, Punjab and Delhi, due to which the water level in the rivers of Yamuna and Satluj and their tributaries are likely to rise rapidly. So that is why administration has been told basically to keep a watch on the situation and put the machinery on alert. Now, this letter basically says that heavy rain is expected in the upper regions of Himachal Pradesh. As of now, there has been major landslides in the upper region of Himachal Pradesh. Several roads have been cut off. It's still raining in Himachal Pradesh, which is the catchment areas for various rivers here in Punjab and Haryana. Now, yesterday 1 lakh cubic water was released into Yamuna from Hatnikund Barrage. Now, several areas, low-lying areas, if you talk about low-lying areas of Yamuna Nagar and Sirsa, are underwater because of the heavy rain. Now, Punjab as of now is safe, but if the rain continues like this, then there could be a problem in Punjab also. But the administration say that they are totally alert to the situation and they've taken all the necessary actions.
4 बजे से पानी बरस रहा है, पूरा डूबा हुआ है, घर के अंदर पानी पूरा भर चुका है।
बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हुई है, यहाँ पे सारे रोड पे गाड़ी वाड़ी जाम हो रखी है, आने जाने में दिक्कतें हो रही है लोगों की। पूरे दुकान मकान सब डूब चुका है, दुकान में पानी घुस चुका है, घर में पूरा पानी घुस चुका है हमारे।